For U.K.G by Pino Publishers. In this following book, we are going to cover number sense up to 10, writing practice 11 to 15, writing practice 16 to 20, number sense up to 20, writing practice 1 to 50, writing practice 50 to 100, writing practice 1 to 100, backward counting, number sense 20 to 100, fun with numbers, what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between, practicing number, just writing number in words, write the numbers in words, ascending order, descending order, more, less or equal, skip counting by 2, skip counting by 5, skip counting by 10 and ordinal numbers. Just count up to 10. Practice counting from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many flowers are there in each row? Circle the correct number. Here there are 1, 2. So circle the number 2. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. And circle the number 4. Next, 1, 2, 3. So let's circle the number 3. Next, there is 1. So let's circle the number 1. Last, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's circle the number 5. Next, write the missing numbers to complete the blanks. What comes after 1? It's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? It's 5. Now what comes before 2? It's 1. Now what comes after 1 and 2? It's 3. Practice counting from 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many butterflies are there in each row? Circle the correct number. There are 7 butterflies. So let's circle the number 7. Next, there are 6 butterflies. So let's circle the number 6. Next, there are 9 butterflies. So let's circle the number 9. Next, there are 8 butterflies. So let's circle the number 8. Last, there are 10 butterflies, so let's circle the number 10. Now, write the missing numbers to complete the blanks. What comes after 6? It's 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what comes after 9? It's 10. What comes before 7? It's 6. 6, 7. Now what comes after 7? It's 8. Copy the pattern of dots on the other side of the dice. Count the number of dots and write the correct number in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 and 5 makes 10. Copy the pattern of dots on the other side of the star. Count the number of dots and write the correct number in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5 and 5 makes 10. Write the missing numbers on the fingers. Count the total number of fingers and write correct number in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The next task is practice writing numbers from 11 to 15. Practice writing numbers from 16 to 20. Counting numbers up to 15. Count the number of objects in each group and write the correct answer in the boxes below. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13, 14. 14 apples. Now write the number 14 in the box. Great. Next, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 bananas. So, write the number 9 in the box. Next, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 oranges. So, write the number 13 in the box. At last, there are 12 mangoes. So, let's write the number 12 in the box. Good job, kids! Counting numbers up to 20. Look at the picture below and write the missing numbers on the back of the snake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, the next task is count 20 strawberries, cross out the extra strawberries, then write the number in the box. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There are 23 strawberries. Now, to make it 20, let's cross out 3 strawberries. Great! Write the missing numbers to complete 1 to 50. This is for you kids. Start doing it by yourself. Next, write the missing numbers to complete 50 to 100. This is also for you kids. Do it by yourself. In this task, write the missing numbers to complete the game from 1 to 100. Kids, fill out the missing numbers to complete the game. In this task, help the car to finish the race. Count backwards, fill in the missing number. It's done, kids. Now, the task says draw the missing square to match the numbers in each group. The given number is 28 and there are 25 squares. Now, to make it 28, we will draw 3 more squares. Next, the given number is 40 and there are 35 squares. Now, to make it 40, we will draw 3 more squares. Now, the given number is 46 and there are 40 squares. Now, to make it 46, let's draw 6 more squares. Great! Now, the next is the given number is 37 and there are 30 squares. To make it 37, we will draw 7 more squares. Next, the given number is 30 and there are 27 squares. Now, to make it 30, we will draw 3 more squares. Great! In the last, the given number is 43 and there are 40 squares. Now, to make it 43, let's draw 3 more squares. Amazing! There are 27 strawberries in this group.
the total count of strawberries are 27. So, it's true. Next is, there are 28 bananas in this group. But the count says there are only 25 bananas. So, it's false. Great. Next, there are 31 apples in this group. But the count says there are only 30 apples. So, it's false. Next, there are 40 oranges in this group. But the total count of oranges are 40. So, it's true. Number ends 20 to 100. Now, the task says how many things are there in each category. Count them and write here. An example is done for you. Let's count the number of hearts. The counting says there are 52 hearts. Now, write the number 52 in the blank. One with numbers. Now, the task is color the picture by using number code. 1 says red, 2 says orange, 3 says yellow, 4 says blue, 5 says green, and 6 brown. Let's color according to the number code. 1 in number, red in number 1, orange in number 2, yellow in number 3, blue in number 4, green in number 5, and last, brown in number 6. And it open the lockers by using right combination of 4 numbers in the line below. Now, the first clue is the first number is less than 15. Let's see which number is less than 15. Yes, it's 10. Now, the second clue is the second number is greater than 72 and less than 80. What can it be? It's 75. The third clue is the third number is between 80 and 85. So, here the number between 80 and 85 is 83. The fourth number is greater than 85. The correct answer is 90. So, the right combination of 4 numbers are 10, 75, 83 and 90. Kids, let's move on to the next task. Decode the secret numbers to launch the rocket by using the given clues below. Now, the first clue is the first number is the biggest single digit number. What can it be? Yes, it's 9. The second number comes after 49 and it's 50. The third number is between 85 and 87. It's 86. The fourth number is biggest two-digit number. The biggest two-digit number is 99. The next topic is what comes after. Now, what comes after 52? It's 53. What comes after 60? It's 61. What comes after 69? The answer is 70. What comes after 73? It's 74. What comes after 92? It's 93. Great. Now, what comes after 56? It's 57. Next, what comes after 67? It's 68. What comes after 72? It's 73. What comes after 77? It's 78. The last. What comes after 96? It's 97. Next, what comes before? Now, what comes before 51? It's 50. What comes before 69? The answer is 68. What comes before 79? It's 78. What comes before 88? It's 87. What comes before 97? The answer is 96. What comes before 66? It's 65. What comes before 74? It's 73. What comes before 83? The answer is 82. Next, what comes before 92? It's 91. The last is, what comes before 100? It's 99. The next topic is, what comes in between? What comes between 49 and 51? It's 50. What comes between 54 and 56? It's 55. What comes between 61 and 63? It's 62. What comes between 67 and 69? It's 68. What comes between 73 and 75? It's 74. Next, what comes between 78 and 80? It's 79. Now, what comes between 83 and 85? It's 84. What comes between 29 and 31? It's 30. What comes between 35 and 37? It's 36. What comes between 40 and 42? It's 41. Next, what comes between 46 and 48? The answer is 47. What comes between 50 and 52? It's 51. What comes between 56 and 58? It's 57. Last, what comes between 28 and 30? It's 29. Practice writing numbers in words from 1 to 20. This task is for you kids. Do it by yourself. Write the following numbers in words. The next topic is ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Arrange the numbers on the caterpillars in ascending order. Now, the given numbers are 9, 6, 10, 8, 7. Let's arrange it from smallest number to the biggest number. Here, the smallest number is 6. Then 7, 8, 9 and the biggest number is 10. The next given numbers are 14, 15, 13, 11, 12. Now, the answer will be 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Similarly, you can do the remaining by yourself. Now, the next topic is descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Arrange the numbers on the caterpillars in descending order. Here, the given numbers are 21, 25, 24, 23 and 22. Let's arrange it from biggest to smallest. Here the biggest number is 25, next 24, 23, 22 and the smallest number is 21. Next, the given number is 57, 56, 60, 59 and 58. So, the answer will be 60, 59, 58, 57 and 56. Similarly, you can do the remaining by yourself. More, less or equal. Mr. Crocodile loves to eat more. Here the task is count the number of fish and write the correct number in each box. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fishes, and on the other side there are 2 fishes. So 5 is greater than 2. Next, there are 1, 2 fish. On the other side, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 fishes. So, 2 is less than 3. Next, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. On the other side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. So they are equal. Now, the next task is draw the correct symbol that makes the problem true. Here, the given number is 3 and 4. So, 3 is less than 4. Next, 9 and 5. So, 9 is greater than 5. Next, 3 and 7. Here, 3 is less than 7. Next, the given numbers are 6 and 2. Here, 6 is greater than 2. Now, the next given number is 4 and 4. So, 4 and 4 are equal. Next, the given numbers are 13 and 4. 13 is greater than 4. Next, 11 and 15. 11 is less than 15. The last, 20 and 20. 20 and 20 are equal. Draw the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal to by yourself in the given boxes below as explained in the previous page. Skip counting by 2. Here the task is count by groups of 2 to complete the sequence. So kids, let's skip 2 numbers from 6. It's 8. Again, skip 2 more numbers from 8. It's 10. Similarly, do the remaining task by yourself and complete the sequence till 30. Skip counting by 5. Here, the task is count by groups of 5 to complete the sequence. Let's skip 5 numbers from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's 10. Let's skip more 5 numbers from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. It's 15. Let's skip more 5 numbers from 15. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes, it's 20. Now kids, Do the remaining task by yourself and complete the sequence till 45. Skip counting by 10. Here, the task says count by groups of 10 to complete the sequence. Let's skip 10 numbers from 10. It's 20. Let's skip more 10 numbers from 20. It's 30. Let's skip more 10 numbers from 30. It's 40. Do the remaining task by yourself, kids, and complete the sequence till 100. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to give positions to the things in order, such as first, second, third, etc. Here we have two tasks. The first task says write position of the following toys. Let's write number 1 for the first picture, number 2 for the second picture, number 3 for third picture, and number 4 for fourth picture. Now the next task says write position of each person in the queue. Let's write 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Color the pictures indicated by the ordinal numbers. Here the first task says color the first mango green and fourth mango yellow. So kids, let's start coloring the mangoes. And it's done. The second task says color the second fish red and fifth fish blue. Let's start coloring the fishes. And it's done. The third task says color the first, third, fifth, seventh and ninth flower pink. So let's start coloring the flowers. And it's done. The last task says color the second, fourth, sixth, eighth and 10th star blue. So kids, let's start coloring the stars. And it's done. Tens and ones. Here the given task is use the following shapes to draw the numbers. An example is done for you. Here rectangle is given for 10 and circle for 1. The first given number is 38. So kids, let's draw 3 rectangles and 8 circles. Next, the given number is 42. So let's draw 4 rectangles and 2 circles. Next, the given number is 16. So let's draw 1 rectangle and 6 circles. Next, the given number is 50. So let's draw 5 rectangles. Next, the given number is 55. So let's draw 5 rectangles and 5 circles. The last given number is 72. So let's draw 7 rectangles and 2 circles. Great job! Here the given task says circle the numbers that have 3 as 1's digit. So kids, let's find the numbers that has 3 as 1's digit. It's 23, 33, 43, 13 and 18. The next task says circle the numbers that have 5 as 10's digit. It's 55, 58 and 59. The third task says circle the numbers which are more than 50. So kids, let's find the number more than 50. It's 68, 97, 56, 99, 78, 87, 893 and 89. Next, the fourth task says circle the numbers which are less than 50. Let's find the number less than 50. It's 12, 20 and 22. Great! Here the given task is color the tens and the ones to represent the given numbers. Use two of your favorite colors. So kids, the first given number is 23. 23 squares. The next given number is 7. So let's color 7 squares. Next, the given number is 20. So let's color 20 squares. Next, the given number is 19. So kids, let's color 19 squares. Next, the given number is 26. So let's color 26 squares. Next, the given number is 32. Let's color 32 squares. The next given number is 27. So kids, let's color 27 squares. The next given number is 9. So let's color 9 squares. Next, the given number is 31. So let's color 31 squares. Next, the given number is 17. Let's color 17 squares. Next, the given number is 11. Let's color 11 squares. The next given number is 43. So let's color 43 squares. Good job! Here the given task is break down the number by using the key below. So kids, here 10 squares is equal to 110 and a circle is equal to 1. The first given number is 25. So let's write 2 in tens column and 5 in ones column. And let's draw 2 tens below 2 and 5 ones below 5. The next given number is 32. So let's write 3 in tens column and 2 in ones column. Now let's draw 3 tens below 3 and 2 ones below 2. Next, the given number is 18. So let's write 1 in tens column and 8 in ones column. Now let's draw 1 tens below 1 and 8 ones below 8. The next given number is 21. So let's write 2 in tens column and 1 in ones column. Now let's draw 2 tens and 1 ones. Great job! Let's find the lucky lottery ticket number by using the clues below. Here the first clue is I don't have 7 tens and 9 ones. The second clue is I don't have 4 tens and 3 ones. The third clue is I don't have 5 tens and 6 ones. The fourth clue is I don't have 6 tens and 6 ones. The fifth clue is I don't have 2 tens and 7 ones. The sixth clue is I don't have 4 tens and 2 ones. So, the lucky lottery ticket number is 53. Addition. Here the given task is count the tens and ones, then add them up as shown. So kids, in the first one there are 2 tens and 2 ones. So let's write 2 in tens column and 2 in ones column. Next, there are 1 tens and 5 ones. So let's write 1 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Now let's add them up. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Great! So kids, similarly do the remaining ones by yourself and complete the task. Alright. Next task is count the tens and ones, then complete the graphic organizer. In the first one, there are 2 tens and 4 ones. It's 24. And next, there is 1 10 and 3 ones. It's 13. Now let's add them up. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now let's write 3 in tens column and 7 in ones column. It's 37. So kids, similarly, do the remaining ones by yourself and complete the task. Do the vertical addition. The first one is 23 plus 12. Now let's count 3 plus 2, it's 5. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer is 35. Next, 31 plus 22. Let's add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 53. The third one, 42 plus 16. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer will be 58. Similarly, do the remaining ones and complete the task, kids. Concept of 0. What happens when 0 is added to a number? In the first one, 4 plus 0 will be 4. In the second one, 0 plus 4 will become 4. Complete the following equation by writing the correct number in the boxes below. The first one is 3 plus 0 is 3. The second one is 0 plus 2 is 2. The third one is 5 plus 0 is 5. The last one is 0 plus 6 is 6. How many in total? Draw a plus sign between the boxes in each row. Count all the objects, then write the correct number in the boxes. An example is done for you. In the first picture, you can see there are 3 stars in the first box and 2 stars in the second box. So 3 plus 2 is 5. In the second picture, there are 5 flowers in the first box and 1 flower in the second box. So 5 plus 1 is 6. In the third picture, there are 5 pencils in one box and 3 pencils in another box. So 5 plus 3 is 8. The fourth picture, there are 6 candles in one box and 4 candles in the second box. So 6 plus 4 is 10. In the last picture, there are 1 strawberry in the first box and 2 strawberries in the second box. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Here the task says count the tens and ones and subtract as shown in the example. In the first one, there are 2 tens and 5 ones. Next, there is 1 10 and 3 ones. Now, let's subtract these numbers. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. It's 12. So let's write 1 in tens column and 2 in ones column. So kids, do the remaining ones by yourself and complete the task. Great! Subtraction. The first one is 43 minus 12. So let's subtract from the ones column. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 31. The second one is 88 minus 11. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer is 77. The third one is 25 minus 10. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 15. Similarly, try doing the remaining ones by yourself, kids. Cross out to show taking away more than 1. Count to find how many are left. In this picture, there are 3 rabbits, and if we cross out 2, the remaining will be 1. Now the given task is cross out 2 fruits in each row, count the number of fruits left and write the correct number in the boxes below. In the first one, there are 7 apples, and if we cross out 2, the remaining will be 5. So let's write number 5 in the box. Next, in the second one, there are 8 bananas, and if we cross out 2, the answer will be 6. So let's write 6 in the box. Next, there are 6 strawberries, and if we cross out 2, the remaining will be 4. So let's write 4 in the box. Next, there are 9 mangoes. If we cross out 2, the remaining will be 7. So let's write 7 in the box. Next, there are 5 oranges, and if we cross out 2, the remaining will be 3. So let's write 3 in the box. Good job!
Here the task is complete the following equation by writing correct number in the missing box. There are 5 bananas and 2 bananas are crossed out. So 5 minus 2 is 3. In the next one, there are 6 mangoes and 1 mango is crossed out. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, there are 9 strawberries and 3 strawberries are crossed out. So 9 minus 3 is 6. In the last one, there are 4 oranges and 2 oranges are crossed out. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Great! Complete the following equations by writing the missing numbers in the boxes below. In the example, there are 5 pigeons and 2 pigeons are crossed out. So 5 minus 2 is 3. In the next, there are 6 parrots and 3 parrots are crossed out. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Next, there are 7 roosters and 2 roosters are crossed out. So 7 minus 2 is 5. In the next one, there are 8 eagles and 4 eagles are crossed out. So 8 minus 4 is 4. The last one is there are 3 bats and 2 bats are crossed out. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Great! Add together the group to make a set of 5. Here the task is draw a line from the group in the first column to the group in the second column that makes a set of 5. In the first one, there are 4 rats. Let's draw a line to the rat in the second column to make a set of 5. Next, there is 1 monkey. Let's draw a line to the group of 4 monkeys in the second column and make it a set of 5. Next, there are 3 cats. Let's draw a line to add 2 more cats to make a set of 5. The last one is There are 2 rabbits. Let's draw a line to the group of 3 rabbits in the second column to make a set of 5. Now the next task is cross out the extra cards to form a set of 8 cards. So let's count the number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's cross out 2 cards to make it a set of 8. Awesome! Which group? Learn to sort items into groups that are the same. Here, the given task is look at the picture carefully and answer the following questions below. The first question is, how many ducks are there together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So let's write 18 in the box. The next question is, how many green ducks are there? There are 7 green ducks. So let's write 7 in the box. The next question is, how many blue ducks are there? There are 5 blue ducks. So let's write 5 in the box. The last question is, how many pink ducks are there? There are 6 to add sets. How many sets? Learn to match sets and form pairs. Here, look at the insects below. Find and match to form a pair. So kids, let's start matching the insects. Let's match grasshopper with a grasshopper, ladybug with a ladybug, bee with a bee, butterfly with a butterfly, fly with a fly. Now the next given task is, how many set of pairs of insects are there above? Circle the correct number. So kids, let's count the insects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So let's circle the number 5. Good job! Counting sets. Count to find the number of objects in each set. Here, the task is count the number of objects in each row below and write the correct number of objects in the box. Let's count the number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write 5 in the box. Next, count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write 7 in the box. Next, count the number of cocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write number 6 in the box. Next, let's count the hockey sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write number 4 in the box. Great! Days and months. There are 12 months in a year. There are as follows: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Next, there are 7 days in a week. There are as follows: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Days and months. A calendar shows days, months and year. Here, the task is look at the calendar carefully and answer the following questions. The first question is, which month and year does the calendar shows? It's August 2023. The second question is, how many days are there in this month?
It's 31. The third question is, how many Sundays are there? It's 4. Great. Shapes. Describing shapes. Now the task is, circle the correct word to complete each sentence. The first sentence is, a square has 4 corners and dash sides. It's 4. The second sentence is, a triangle has dash corners and 3 sides. It's 3. The third sentence is, a rectangle has 4 corners and dash sides. It's 4. The last sentence is, a circle is dash. It's round. Alright. Comparing shapes. Shapes can vary in sizes. Learn to identify different sizes. Now the task is, look at the shapes in each box, color the bigger size with green and smaller with red. So kids, let's start coloring the shapes. And it's done. Good job. Objects have shapes and shapes have names. Now look at the objects and circle the correct shape which match with the object. The first one is, the wheel has shape of a circle. Next, the window has the shape of a rectangle. Third one, the piece of pizza has shape of triangle. Next, an egg has shape of an oval. The next task is, circle the word to describe the shape of the sun. It's circle. Patterns. More patterns. Look at the pictures below. Follow the patterns to complete each row and color them. Kids, let's start coloring to complete the task. And it's done. And the next task is, look at the pattern and draw more pictures to continue the pattern. And it's done. Good job, kids. Sizes. Compare the size of the objects and find the biggest. Here, circle the biggest animal in each row. So kids, let's circle the biggest lion in the row. Next, let's circle the biggest elephant. And in the last row, let's circle the biggest horse. Here, the next task is, draw a bigger dog in the box. And it's done. Compare the size of the objects and find the smallest. Here, circle the smallest flower in each row. So kids, let's circle the smallest flower in each row. It's done. Now, the next task is, draw a smaller sun in the box. It's done. Great. Learn to draw bigger and smaller objects. Here, the task is, look at the picture and follow the direction. The first one is, draw a bigger egg. It's done. Next, draw a smaller flower. It's done. Next, draw a smaller kite. It's done. Great job, kids. Next, compare the length of two objects to find the shorter and longer object. Here, the given task is, look at each picture carefully and follow the directions. The first one is, circle the longer pencil. So kids, let's circle the pencil on the right. Next, circle the boy with shorter legs. So let's circle the boy on the left. Next, circle the shorter penguin. So let's circle a penguin on the right. The last one is circle the animal with longer tail. So let's circle the lion. Learn to draw objects that are longer or shorter. Here the given task is look at each picture carefully and follow the directions. Draw a snake that is longer. So kids, let's draw a longer snake. It's done. Next, draw a line that is shorter. Kids, let's draw a shorter line. It's done. Next, color the animal with longer neck in green and shorter animal with red. And it's done. Next, look at the crocodile and how many dots long this crocodile is. Count the dots and circle the correct number. It's 15. Weight. Heavy means more weight. Now, look at the picture carefully and circle the heavier object or animal in each group. In the first picture, we can see the car is heavier than the bicycle. So kids, let's circle the car. In the second picture, we can see the whale is heavier than the fish. So kids, let's circle the whale. Next, the third given picture is the stone and a feather. So stone is heavier than the feather. So kids, let's circle the stone. The fourth picture is similarly do the remaining ones and complete the task. The second task is circle the heaviest weight. So kids, let's circle the heaviest weight. It's 15 kg. Good job. Light means less weight. Here the given task is look at the picture carefully and circle the lighter object or animal in each group. In the first picture, we can see that the cat is lighter than the hippo. So, kids, let's circle the cat. In the second picture, we can see the mouse is lighter than the dog. So, kids, let's circle the mouse. In the third picture, we can see that the pencil is lighter than the school bag. So kids, let's circle the pencil. Similarly, do the remaining ones and complete the task by yourself, kids. Position. Look at the picture carefully and answer the following questions. The first question is, where is the fruit? It's inside the basket. The second question is, where is the bird? It's inside the cage. Next, where is the cake? The cake is on the table. Great! Look at the picture carefully and answer the following questions. Here the question is, where is the helicopter? It's below the cloud. Next, where is the parrot? Parrot is outside the cage. Next, where is the fish? Fish is above the water. Some more position words. Here, the given task is Look at the picture carefully and underline the correct answer. The first question is, where is the girl? The girl is in front of the tree. Next, where is the ladder? It's beside the tree. Next, where is the bird? The bird is under the tree. Alright. A clock is a device that helps to check time. It has two hands. The longer hand is for minutes and the shorter hand is for hours. Here, the given task is what time is shown in the clock below. In the first one, the time shown is 3 o'clock. So let's write 3 in the box. In the second one, the time shown is 5 o'clock. So let's write 5 in the box. In the third one, the time shown is 10 o'clock. So let's write 10 in the box. So kids, similarly, do the remaining ones and complete the task. The next task is draw our hand on the clock to show 4 o'clock. And it's done. Great job. Here the task says draw hour's hand or minutes hand on the clocks below to show the correct time under the clock. This task is for you kids. Do it by yourself. The next task says draw both hands of the clock to show 1 o'clock. And it's done. Money. Identify the correct value of the currency and circle the correct number. The first picture shown is 10 rupees. So let's circle the number 10. Next, the given picture is 20 rupees. So let's circle 20. Next, the given picture is 50 rupees. So let's circle number 50. The last picture is 100 rupees. So let's circle 100. Alright. Counting money. Here the task says complete the following equation by writing correct number in the box. In the first one, the given coins are 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So let's write 7 in the box. Next, the given coins are 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So let's write 3 in the box. Next, 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So let's write 6 in the box. Next, the given coin is 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So let's write 10 in the box. Awesome!